Hello and welcome back to my RC channel. I'm Andy RC and today I'm going to be flying the prototype Happy Model Mobula 7 HD in the indoor sports hall that I have joined. But I'm also going to explain why I'm getting less Jello than other videos that you might be seeing on YouTube, because these are rolling out to other YouTubers now. But first I have to explain why other YouTubers are getting more Jello than me. Now, there's a particular YouTube channel out there, and I won't mention the name, and somebody pointed me towards a comment that they had made about me. They said that they were more of an expert than Andy RC when it comes to batteries. So I confronted them. I replied with a comment. I said, I'd never call myself an expert over anybody else. I think there's always room for improvement. But I also said, where are your calculations on battery weight against amp draw and C rating, and if a copter's got a current meter, then where are the calculations for working out the perfect battery? And instead of getting a response, I got blocked. So I'm gonna tell you why I'm getting less Jello, because on this particular channel I can't reply and tell them why they won't be able to fix it with theirs. So what you'll notice on mine is that here at the front of the canopy we do not have a cutout. So their first design was to have a cutout here. They're trying to lose as much weight as possible, but the problem is this cutout here is what caused the Jello. And if you see any video on this model and it's got the cutout, it's got the earlier canopy. So for somebody that calls themselves an expert, you'd think they would have noticed that in mine, and also Stu from UAV Futures didn't have this cutout. And it's a real shame, because it's somebody that I would have classed as a close friend and spoke to a lot. But sometimes people are unpredictable, and I was really shocked and surprised at the response. But anyways, that's enough of the drama. Let's get and fly this thing.
Got off the wires when I close my eyes, disconnected and tired. I see you, yeah. And I know you keep asking me, flames and fire. I know you are done with me, it's just fired. It's just fired. Wrong, but I made it right. You came begging day and night. I don't wanna hit the bottom, don't go out of your state of mind. I've been counting 1 to 10. I'll be back when you be down. With my music again. I see, yeah, I see you go down. Yeah, I see you go down. I see, yeah, I see you go down. Yeah, I see you go down. And I know you keep asking me, flames and fire. I know you are done with me, it's just fired. I see you go down, yeah, I see you go down. I see you go down, yeah, I see you just fired. It's shots fired.
So as you saw in the video, this guy took quite a lot of hits from a great height onto hard tiles, and it came back completely unscathed. The only thing that happened is I got a speck of dust on the camera sensor after one of the crashes. I imagine the dust was already in there and the crash caused it to throw it onto the sensor, so hopefully I can just unscrew the lens, get an air duster in there, and that should sort that out. By the way, this casing here is also less translucent than ones I've seen in other videos, so I think they've made the case thicker. And as for soft mounting, the back is actually soft mounted, so the flight controller is on these rubber grommets, and this screw here, it fits over the top of the rubber grommets, and it's the same on the other side, so it's only this front screw here that doesn't have a soft mount. So maybe that's something that they can do, because I didn't get completely Jello free footage, but it was close enough for me. And you have to remember, as I mentioned in my review, they are still working on this guy. They are going to elongate the canopy so that there is more camera protection. So I would say with all of these videos that are coming out, take them with a pinch of salt, and Happy Model are going to be taking all of this on board, and I think we are going to get a fantastic Cinewhoop out of it, which, in my opinion, we already have in this state. So, as always, thanks so much for watching. Please continue to subscribe. Cheers.